Okay. The question. Okay, where's your whatever? Okay. True or false? You can tell how a seabird catches its prey by the shape of its beak. Well, I'm a local, so I know this is true. True. For example, an albatross, the top skull, grab fish and squid from the surface and have hooked beak. Boobies, a low skull, dive for food and have straight, streamlined beaks. Cool. Which of the following objects can you find in an albatross's stomach? A. Disposable lighters. B. Squid beaks. C. Bottle caps. D. Plastic toys. E. All of the above. E. All of the above. Oh, that's gross. You know what? Let me turn on the flashlight. It doesn't work. Sorry. There. All the above. Although albatrosses prefer squid and fish eggs, they will eat any floating object that looks tasty, including plastic trash. Sometimes they eat so much plastic that they cannot digest their food and they die. These objects all come from albatross stomachs. Ooh. Yeah, I'm getting grossed out. Which of these flowers are native to Hawaii? None of the above. None. Like most flowers seen in the Hawaiian Islands, these plants were introduced by people. Many native lowland plants, such as the whatever hibiscus, shown here, are endangered today. Which seabird incubates its egg with its feet? The albatross. Most birds incubate their eggs using a brood patch. The red-footed booby the red-footed booby. Well-supplied blood vessels. Interesting. That's fascinating. Which Hawaiian stream animal was used in ceremonies to give its power of clinging to life to newborn babies? I'm local, but not that local. The freshwater goby. It clings to rocks' pelvic fins that evolve into suction cups to avoid being washed out to sea by flash floods. It can climb up waterfalls. What Hawaiian bird holds the world's long-distance record for homing? As in, like, they're out to sea, longest distance to come back to their same home. Albatross, right? Molly the Laysan albatross. I did it. Scientists released one bird 3,400 miles from its home, and the albatross made it back in 11 days. Whoa. That was the humpback whale, which has no teeth, catch slippery fish and krill. I don't know what it's called, but it has these weird bristle-like broom thingies. Rows of baleen plates hang from the roof of the whale's mouth like the teeth of a comb. The whale gulps a mouthful of water and fish, then squeezes out the water, leaving the fish trapped behind the baleen. These are the tips of baleen plates. Whoa. It's weird. How did they actually get that off of a whale? Looks like a coconut husk. Which native Hawaiian plant was once used to make hundreds of useful items, from canoe sails to paintbrushes? I don't know what it's called, but I call it the Hawaiian paintbrush. Ouch. Static. That hurts. The hala, or pandanus, leaves were used to make thatched roofs, baskets, mattresses, and sails. Here is part of a mat made from hala leaves and a paintbrush made from a dry fruit. Huh. Yeah, just call it Hawaiian paintbrush.
Is there anything that you saw that you want?